Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel Tadka Tales. Today we are making one of the most loved combinations in Indian cuisine, Poori and Aloo Sabji. First let's gather our ingredients. I have taken 2 cup atta and 2 spoons of suji. I'll take 1 small spoon of ghee and some salt for taste. I'm going to mix the atta just so all the ingredients get mixed well, and then I'll pour little by little water and my dough is kneaded like this. It's not too thick, not too thin. I'm going to rest the dough for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes we are back and this is how the atta looks. I'm just going to give it a slight kneading so that the surface of the dough becomes smoother, and you can see how smooth the atta is now. And let's get started with making the puris now. I normally use the cutting board to make the puri like the bigger chapati, so that I get enough space. And now I'm cutting it with the normal katori that we have at home with the sharp edges. So in one roti you can see I made 5 puris. I'm just making one more and then we'll be ready to fry the puris. Alright, our oil is ready for frying. So let's start putting our puris. I'm going to put 4 puris at a time because this kadai holds 4 puris at a time. It's that big enough. You just have to push the puris down with the help of the spoon so that the oil gets on the other side as well, and then the puri starts fluffy like this, and then we can turn it over to make the other side. I think our first 2 puris are ready to come out of the oil, and so are the others. So let's start taking it out. Let's fry some more. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more videos like these. I'll be posting my videos on every Sunday, once in a week. Thank you. And let's get started with the aloo sabji now. So here in America we get pink potatoes. So I boiled 5 pink potatoes. I put some oil, mustard, cumin seeds, urad dal. I'm putting some curry leaves, green chilies and garlic. You have to just fry it until it turns a little bit brown and then add some onion slices. I prefer putting thinly sliced onions into this aloo sabzi because I don't know why, but it tastes better with the thinly sliced onions rather than the chopped onions. So you can see the onions are turning a little bit of brown. I'm going to give it a little stir, and then I will add some tomatoes, thinly sliced again. I just added 1 tomato, thinly sliced, and I'm stirring it again till it is cooked a little bit. You can see the tomato is a little soft. Now start putting your Spices, I put salt first, some fresh coriander, some turmeric, and little bit of red chili powder. And there are no more spices that we put. Let's add our boiled potatoes to the sabzi, give it a good stir, let it cook for 5 minutes, and then our aloo sabzi is ready to be served. It's as easy, and let's plate our dish now. Here are the puris and the aloo sabzi ready. Thanks for watching.